Welcome to Adobe Creative Suite interview questions, your complete guide to mastering design tools. Adobe Creative Suite is a comprehensive collection of professional creative software applications used by designers, artists, and content creators worldwide. The suite includes 4 core applications that form the foundation of modern digital design. Photoshop specializes in image editing and photo manipulation, working with raster graphics like photographs and digital artwork. Illustrator focuses on vector graphics creation, perfect for logos, icons, and scalable illustrations. InDesign handles layout design and desktop publishing for brochures, magazines, and multi-page documents. After Effects creates motion graphics and visual effects for video content and animations. These applications work seamlessly together, allowing designers to move projects between programs while maintaining quality and consistency throughout their creative workflow. Understanding the specific purpose of each Adobe application is crucial for any design professional. Photoshop serves as the industry standard for raster image editing, handling tasks like photo retouching, color correction, and digital painting. Its pixel-based approach makes it ideal for working with photographs and creating detailed digital artwork. Illustrator operates on vector graphics principles, using mathematical equations to create clean, scalable designs that remain crisp at any size. This makes it perfect for brand identity work, iconography, and illustrations that need to work across different media sizes. InDesign excels in layout and publishing workflows, providing sophisticated typography controls and multi-page document management. Its strength lies in combining text and images for professional publications like books, magazines, and marketing materials. After Effects brings static designs to life through motion graphics and visual effects, creating animations, video compositing, and dynamic content for digital media. Each tool has distinct strengths, and professional designers often combine multiple applications within a single project to achieve the best results. Adobe Creative Suite interview questions typically fall into 2 main categories that assess different aspects of your expertise. Technical knowledge questions focus on your understanding of software-specific features, functions, and workflows. Employers want to know if you understand the difference between raster and vector graphics, how various file formats affect project outcomes, and your familiarity with advanced tools and techniques within each application. These questions might cover topics like color management, resolution requirements, and software integration capabilities. Practical application questions examine your real-world problem-solving abilities and creative process. Interviewers often ask candidates to walk through their portfolio, explaining the challenges faced and solutions implemented in actual projects. They want to understand your creative workflow, how you approach client briefs, and your ability to adapt designs for different media and platforms. These questions might involve scenario-based problems where you need to recommend the best software choice for specific design challenges or explain how you would handle tight deadlines while maintaining quality standards. Photoshop interview questions focus on both fundamental concepts and practical application skills essential for image editing professionals. Technical concept questions often explore the difference between raster and vector graphics, emphasizing how pixels work versus mathematical paths. Candidates should understand layer blending modes and how they affect color interaction between different image elements. Resolution and dots per inch concepts are crucial, especially when preparing images for print versus digital display. Color space knowledge, including the differences between red, green, blue for digital work and cyan, magenta, yellow, black for print production, demonstrates professional print preparation skills. Smart objects versus regular layers shows understanding of non-destructive editing workflows that preserve original image data. Practical skills questions examine hands-on abilities like non-destructive editing techniques that allow changes without permanently altering original pixels. Masking and selection methods test precision in isolating specific image areas for targeted adjustments. Photo retouching workflow demonstrates ability to enhance images while maintaining natural appearance. Color correction processes show technical skill in adjusting exposure, contrast, and color balance. Batch processing automation reveals efficiency in handling large numbers of images with consistent adjustments, a valuable skill for commercial photography workflows. Illustrator interview questions emphasize vector graphics mastery and logo design expertise crucial for brand identity work. Core concept questions typically focus on the fundamental difference between vector and raster graphics, highlighting how vectors use mathematical paths that remain crisp at any scale versus pixels that become blurry when enlarged. Understanding paths and anchor points is essential, as these form the building blocks of all vector artwork. Bezier curve manipulation and pen tool usage demonstrate technical precision in creating smooth, professional curves and shapes. Live Paint functionality and Pathfinder tools show knowledge of advanced shape manipulation for complex design creation. Gradient mesh functionality reveals understanding of sophisticated shading techniques within vector environments. Practical application questions examine real-world design skills like logo design best practices, including scalability, simplicity, and memorability principles. Typography and text on paths demonstrate ability to create dynamic text treatments that follow custom shapes. Color management workflow shows understanding of how colors translate between screen and print environments. Scalable vector optimization involves preparing files for different uses while maintaining quality. Export format knowledge covers when to use scalable vector graphics, encapsulated PostScript, or other formats depending on final application requirements, whether for web use, print production, or further editing in other applications. InDesign interview questions assess layout design expertise and publishing workflow knowledge essential for professional document creation. Layout fundamental questions explore master pages and their applications in creating consistent design elements across multiple document pages. Understanding the difference between character styles and paragraph styles demonstrates typography expertise and efficiency in managing large documents with consistent formatting. Text frame threading shows knowledge of flowing text between multiple containers, crucial for magazine and book layouts. Bleed, slug, and margin concepts reveal understanding of print production requirements, ensuring designs print correctly without white edges or cutting off important content. Grid systems and alignment principles demonstrate ability to create visually organized, professionally structured layouts. Production skills questions examine real-world publishing workflows like pre-flight and package procedures that prepare files for professional printing. Understanding the differences between print and digital output settings shows versatility in preparing content for various distribution methods. Linked asset management demonstrates file organization skills and understanding of how external images and graphics connect to the main document. Table of contents automation reveals knowledge of advanced features that save time in long document production. Color management in cyan, magenta, yellow, black color space shows print production expertise, ensuring colors reproduce accurately in final printed materials rather than appearing different from screen versions. After Effects interview questions evaluate motion graphics expertise and visual effects knowledge crucial for video content creation. Animation concept questions typically focus on keyframes and interpolation types, the fundamental building blocks of all motion graphics work. Understanding how keyframes mark specific points in time and how interpolation creates smooth transitions between them is essential. Time remapping and speed control demonstrate ability to manipulate footage timing for creative effects like slow motion or time-lapse sequences. Expressions and automation show advanced technical skills in using code-like commands to create complex animations that would be time-consuming to keyframe manually. Graph editor and easing curves reveal understanding of animation principles that make motion feel natural rather than mechanical. Three-dimensional layers and camera animation demonstrate spatial awareness and ability to create depth in compositions. Compositing skills questions examine practical abilities like track mats and masking techniques used to combine multiple visual elements seamlessly. Motion tracking capabilities show ability to attach graphics to moving objects in footage, essential for adding text or graphics that follow camera movement. Green screen keying workflow demonstrates color-based compositing skills for replacing backgrounds or combining actors with different environments. Particle systems and effects reveal knowledge of generating complex visual elements like fire, smoke, or magical effects. Render queue and output format understanding shows technical knowledge of preparing final videos in appropriate formats for different distribution platforms and quality requirements. Creative workflow management questions assess your ability to integrate multiple Adobe applications efficiently and manage complex design projects. Software integration topics focus on dynamic linking between applications, which allows live updates when changes are made in one program to automatically reflect in connected projects. Creative Cloud Libraries usage demonstrates understanding of shared asset management, where colors, graphics, and other design elements can be synchronized across different projects and team members. Asset sharing and syncing capabilities show knowledge of collaborative workflows essential in modern design teams. Version control strategies reveal project management skills and understanding of how to maintain file organization when multiple revisions exist. Team collaboration workflows examine ability to coordinate with other designers, developers, and stakeholders throughout project development. Project management questions evaluate practical organizational skills like file organization, best practices that prevent lost work, and ensure easy project handoffs. Naming convention importance shows attention to detail and professional habits that make projects maintainable over time. Backup and archiving methods demonstrate risk management and data protection awareness crucial for client work. Client feedback integration reveals communication skills and ability to incorporate revisions efficiently. Timeline and deadline management shows project planning abilities and understanding of how different software capabilities affect project scheduling and resource allocation in professional design environments. Practical skill demonstration encompasses both portfolio presentation and live assessment techniques that employers use to evaluate real-world abilities. Portfolio review questions focus on your ability to articulate the creative process behind completed work. Project process documentation shows how you approach problems, make design decisions, and iterate toward final solutions. Before and after comparisons demonstrate your ability to improve existing designs or solve visual communication problems. Problem-solving case studies reveal analytical thinking and creative problem-solving approaches when facing design challenges. Technical challenges overcome show persistence and learning ability when encountering unfamiliar software features or complex client requirements. Client brief interpretation demonstrates communication skills and ability to translate business objectives into visual solutions. Live assessment techniques test immediate problem-solving abilities under time pressure. Time design challenges evaluate both technical speed and creative thinking when working within constraints. Software navigation speed tests measure efficiency and muscle memory with essential tools and keyboard shortcuts. Real-world scenario solutions examine ability to apply software knowledge to practical design problems similar to those encountered in professional environments. Tool efficiency demonstrations reveal advanced technique knowledge and workflow optimization skills. Creative problem-solving tasks assess ability to think outside conventional approaches when standard solutions are insufficient, showing adaptability and innovation in professional design work. Adobe Creative Suite expertise opens doors to numerous high-demand career opportunities with competitive compensation packages. User experience and user interface designers, earning between $90,000 and $120,000 annually, focus on creating intuitive digital experiences that combine visual design with user psychology. Creative directors, commanding $120,000 to $150,000 yearly, lead design teams and shape brand visual strategies across multiple projects and platforms. Motion graphics artists earn $70,000 to $95,000 annually, specializing in animated content for advertising, entertainment, and digital media. Digital marketing designers, with salaries ranging from $60,000 to $85,000, create visual content for online campaigns and social media platforms. Brand identity designers earn $65,000 to $90,000 yearly, developing comprehensive visual systems that define company personalities and market positioning. Professional development opportunities include Adobe certified expert credentials that validate technical expertise and increase marketability to employers. Creative Cloud certifications demonstrate current software knowledge and commitment to staying updated with industry standards. Portfolio building strategies help showcase skills effectively to potential employers and clients. Industry networking events provide opportunities to connect with other professionals and discover new career opportunities. Continuous skill advancement ensures staying competitive in the rapidly evolving design industry, where new tools and techniques constantly emerge to meet changing client needs and technological capabilities.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.